Or now what make my Gbola on the race again? Now why you stress keep my enemy?
Hey, my people. Una never hear. This video wey una just watch, so I go put am for una. I just dey waka dey go now come across this bad video. About dey talk say Gbola no dey work again. Say the stress wey be say people wey dey call am for all corner. They tell am say about this one, see wetin dey happen. About this one, about see the other one. Oh, wey Gbola ripagbe. No be small thing about wetin do your Gbola wey no dey come dey get up again. So the stress wey they put for your body, so then no make your Gbola come dey work. Come tell us truth o. Tori, otherwise people wey be say that they build house, people wey be say that they do many things, job wey be say e dey strong well. If or be say their Gbola pata, you know they get up. Talk less of you wey be say sit down for inside house. You know they do anything, then you come they tell us say because of the cause wey people they call you, now no make your Gbola don dey work again. Your Gbola no dey work again. But Ogbeti, one of UK, you funny die. Funny way, you know. If I say I'm not gonna laugh, I go still laugh. You see this life, this video. Una go sit down, make una watch, make una listen. You see this life, they say, Benin the user made parable say, Irinaya siekbo, egboma ayasi. About Ogbeti, he want do a birthday. He say a birthday, don't they come, don't they corner of the road, So he don't know the way we want to tell people say, make them donate for her, make them do gift for her. Una no say about the talk and say to put account number na something way no good. Why you go there start money for people? Why you go there do this one? Una know na. So that kind shame no. You no let Abad come say, see my account number, make una send me money, make una send me gift. You see this life, and you know when I walk back home, you see as it can be. Me, I know they guess people where be say if you they do birthday say maybe they want send you gift. Now make me know the tell person say no give person money. I don't know whether that one be your happiness. Abad was against it for this media. Una remember when carry camera come out. He said na so dem go tip for his store for Benin. They don't carry everything. This one, you can't carry camera for Amazon. Can't they put the price? Can't they put and stamp and put for social media? Maybe people by say how much maybe we can't donate for you. People, we am aware anything. All those people they not talk anything. Nah, it don't joke back. For those people body where be say then they wash am. They know even they send them money. I not be by force to send you money, no be by force say person must send you money. Not be by force so because why? It must come out for their mind. The time when they come out for their mind to send people money, you say then they escort money for people. You say you not like am, make they not they try and get say you there, yeah, you go be there, you go do this one, you go do the other one. So it don't reach your turn now. You don't know the way when you want to tell people say. Make them bring make you give their account. Back on they use style on they talk and say nobody they call her to tell and say about bring your account. Now wait till you dey against now. How they will come tell you? Wait till you dey against. Why they will come tell you say about bring your account? They not fit tell you because they not say you not like am. So anything where be say bring your account and want support you, they not go fit tell you about. Even though they know are so money, you not concern anybody. Wait till you dey against. How you come they want make people come ask you. Even people where they watch you, they know if you tell you say, Abba, give me your account because they know say you not like her. Now you say now you talk out. You say you not like that thing. Now to escort money for people. Why you want come they escort money for people? Why you come they like they do meow? Why they not ask you say now your birthday they come say why they not ask you say make you bring your account? What do you want to use your account to do? What do you say you not like? What do you say make people don't do? You say you want I don't understand. Maybe once I see this video, laugh one just by my enemy. Oh, where can we now? He said Gbola not they work again because of calling whether they call him. Abba see this one happen. Abba see the other one happen. He said na so message that they send now. Na so this one that they send. Abba they use type. They tell una say make una send down money. Abba go and work. They say work there for UK. Say that they beg people, please can you work? If you don't like this one, maybe you will like this one. Abba go and work. Not because they give us headache for this social media because what you not like, you know if you can't like, you want make people come they ask you. They not if you ask you because they know say na to escort money. Na so you talk. You say people wey be say then they put account number to say my fans make una give me a gift. You said na then they escort money for them. So e no good make they come dey make you come put your account. Make I put this video for now, make una watch. But go work, oh, go work. You see social media now, e no come dey pay like before. The money don't go down. May you carry your body, may you carry your leg. Go look for something, may you go dey do. Not go dey do for here. Gonna dey say your birthday they come. We hear happy birthday in advance, but they don't hear. Not be that one. I be another thing day where you want. You want make them send you money. They no fit send you because you say no, e no good. They not to escort people money. You say you not like am, so they no fit ask you. So no come they tell them we don't hear about him. He calls their papa, calls their mama. Make una watch this video. Make I put am for now. Make una listen. Frustration. Now bye bye. Oh, please help me to love and like and share this video. Bye bye. About go and work.
Now many of them be wicked people. As my birthday they come now, nobody go call me. Oh, now very few people go say take about say you have been doing well. Send me your account. But they will never. But if they get problem, now my leg of a call. You know, they follow my wife, they talk some days ago for that car. Because my phone they ring continuously. I go wake up, they make them see 30-something missed calls on my phone. Nigeria. Who they beat mama call about? Who they take in land call about? Who they do this one call about? Community call about. This one call about. What's happen? And I told them, I said, very soon I will charge 100,000 to follow me talk for 10 minutes. If you tell them to send voice note, they're going to send you 15 minutes voice note. They will talk history. I just sit down, play a voice note for 15 minutes. So which time I can't get for other people? Which time I want to watch Arise, watch channels, check other blogs, check Punch, check Vanguard, do school run, take care of my kids. Oh, now I want my Gbola on the race again. Now I want you stress keep my enemy. The wild beers where I don't stress don't give me. You don't reach. They will never call you for a good thing where will benefit you. Last week somebody sent me money for my birthday. You know they call me for Wala. He never call me once and say, Abba, help me do this. They call me my life. What is this? Visa. I pay person. Hey, I beg. One person in UK. I pay 6,000 pounds, 8,000 pounds. I beg. When you they pay the person, you don't say about the UK. So say, before I give this person money, even if I know this person, may I just sit there about. Make I advise you say, don't give or before you give any person do video call with you, record them. Tomorrow no deny.